Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're gonna fight the ceiling. It's gonna be super easy, and I'm gonna show you what to do. We even try a new technique out, but this is not gonna be a how-to video. It's just me and the lady on the couch. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm ready. I'm working now.
Do it.
Huh? Good idea. Is that a good idea? You're not giving it to me, man.
So then what? You draw around the outside?
Yeah.
That's
So
a good idea.
So if I trace it, it's going to be the exact size of my cut, right?
That's why I'm being nosy and watching.
That's okay.
But that's pretty ingenious using that painter stick.
Yeah, right? I think so.
I think that's really,
it'll work for people, I think. And then like you can hang a ceiling by yourself. You guys getting a show today?
Yeah.
Cool.
Does it make you feel uncomfortable?
No, I'm used to people watching me. Hey, buddy.
That's a girl.
She can still be your buddy.
Is she right in front of your camera?
Yeah, the dog's in the shot. No, it's great. No, I love it. Because that's the kind of video this one is. It's just me talking with the lady on the couch. While I'm...
You should have seen him earlier today. I dropped a green olive, and he went to grab it, eat it. He didn't care for the taste of it, but he wouldn't let me have it back. I kept trying to grab it from him, and he kept getting it, going around the couch, and then throwing it up in the air like it was a ball.
Shoot.
Oh, he played with it like for 2 hours.
That's right.
Your arm has to be killing you being over your head.
No way. I'm trying to take it as working out because I don't work out. I don't like exercise.
Oh, that's a workout.
Well, right. So I'm counting it. And so people are like, "Do you work out?" No, I just work.
And then put it down there over there. She's looking for it, I think.
Hey, what's up?
It's loud upstairs.
That's right. It's loud downstairs.
Yeah, not bad.
Using all that water.
Yeah. But was it really, really loud?
No. That's the only thing I had.
He's gonna cry.
Cool.
We're going to stay in Orlando because we rented a house, but I'm
Nice.
having like 15 of my family members are meeting me there.
Now watch that, Lisa. That's a paint stick.
Yeah, I know.
That was pretty ingenious. I never seen that before.
No. Rah. Oh, Bob.
Like a girdle, like a girdle.
Bam.
Bam, like a girdle. Very good.
That worked awesome. I'm still sweating though. The idea was like easily do it by yourself. I don't know if I achieved it, but it did happen.
Hey, you know what? Last time there was 2 men putting that smaller one up, and it took them forever.
Like it really helps them. Like I have like single moms contact me from like all over the country saying, "I changed my own water heater. You saved me $1,000." Like.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's super cool.
And then my son-in-law, he used to use this spray texture, out of a can
Yeah.
for small jobs. Oh man, that stuff works good.
Yeah, I like that. The Home Max. Good stuff.
I was so proud of myself. I was patting myself on the shoulder. I was calling all my friends. I was like, damn, I'm good.
Is that right? Good for you.
I'm like, oh, because it just drove me crazy every time I'd walk down the hallway.
I can't find my metal knife. I'm a little bummed about it.
Oh no.
I know. It's somewhere, but I don't have it today. Oh, actually the plastic, you can mold really well though. second coat is on and dry. We're just gonna wipe out a few of the little boogered up areas here. Now I've got my thinned down green top.
So now you're gonna do the little half moon?
We're gonna attempt the half moons. It's always an attempt, and you just pray for the best, and then you just gotta know when to quit messing with it. Hey, this is as good as I'm gonna get it. Stop touching it. Big yellow sponge, thin down green top.
You can do it, you can do it.
We're just gonna wipe this onto the ceiling, like so. Make sure you go out past your repair. Okay, this is all good, wet, with the texture. I got my cleaned off yellow sponge, and now we're going to do the half moon. The idea is that the next stroke covers over the beginning and ending of the previous stroke. So I can see these guys are going this way. So I'm going to start over here and do fan, fan, and just kind of work my way down. Looking good. Alright, I'm loving that. Yeah. So that's it. We rocked that ceiling repair. Showed you how to use the paint extension pole to hold it up so you can easily do a ceiling by yourself. And now you're one step closer to being a pro. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.